Laura was sad because she could not make it rain. She could not make it rain until she had her 10th raindrop. Just then the north wind came flying into the king's garden. "There you are, goddaughter," he said. "I have been looking all over the world for you to give you your birthday present. Where is your necklace?" "The princess has it," said poor Laura, and the north wind was angry. "You should not have taken it off," he said, and he dropped the raindrop onto the dry grass where it was lost. He flew away, and Laura started to cry. "Please do not cry," said the kind little princess. "You shall have the necklace back, for I can now see it is yours." And she put the chain over Laura's head. As soon as she did so, one of Laura's tears ran down and hung onto the necklace beside the 9 raindrops, making the 10th. Laura started to smile. She dried her eyes and blew her nose. And guess what? As soon as she blew her nose, the rain began falling. It rained and it rained. The trees all spread out their leaves and the flowers stretched their petals. They were so happy to have a drink. At last Laura clapped her hands and the rain stopped. The King of Arabia was very pleased. "That is the finest necklace I have ever seen," he said. "Will you come and stay with us every year so that we have enough rain?" And Laura said she would do this. Then they sent her home in the princess's boat made out of a pink shell, and the birds flew overhead and the fishes swam out in front. "I am happy to have my necklace back," said Laura, "but I am even happier to have so many friends." What happened to Meg? The mice told the north wind that she had taken Laura's necklace, and he came and blew the roof off Meg's house, and it let the rain in, so that she was soaking wet.